2 ton, 1 canopy. Let's see if it holds up. Welcome to another episode of Strong Bones. I'm Josh with Utemaster. If you've been following along, you'll know that we put our gear to some extreme tests. Putting a ute on a ute, lifting it with a crane, trying to rip a canopy off with a drift car. But there's one thing we haven't done yet, and that's put the world's heaviest kettlebell on the Centurion Canopy. You've done it. You've loaded up the ute, hit the road, and somewhere in the back of your mind thought, I wonder if this thing can actually take all of that. We heard it, so we're answering it. People ask us all the time, how much can the Centurion Canopy really take? We've always had the hard numbers from our testing process on our gear, but sometimes data only tells you part of the story. We wanted to see what really happens when you push it. Strong Bones isn't something we came up with in marketing. It's a standard that every product gets built to before it ever leaves our doors. And this is what Strong Bones looks like behind the scenes. Every bracket, every weld, every frame. It all has to pass a quality standard that most people will never see, but every customer will feel. This isn't about building a product, it's about setting a standard for ourselves, where every detail matters. I mean, this place is so clean that you could eat off the floor. What are you doing? I'm on lunch, boss. I said you could, it doesn't mean you should. All right, where was I? We didn't just want to simulate it, we wanted to actually do it. So before we could do this, it all started here. How far could we push this? A shape, target weight, and a prototype. Everything designed around hitting one number, 2,000 kilograms.